Hello. Today, in this math class, we're going to be adding and subtracting rational functions. Okay, so we start off with 7x over 8, and then that plus 9 over 2. Now, in order to add or subtract them, you need to have common denominators, okay? So, what is a common denominator of 8 and 2? 4. So you multiply both top and bottom, because you have to do that. And then after that, you get 7x over 8 plus 20, or no, or over 8. And then that's 36. And then same denominators. So now you can just add the top, but you can't, they're different, so you can't just add them together. So it's 7x plus 36 over 8. And that's that one. It's really easy, especially with me, but it's a little harder. Now, what you do is 1 over 6 and minus 9 over x. So now we have both of them being different, except now at least we have the top being the same thing. So what do you multiply to both of those to get to the same number? Well, it would obviously be 3, so you have to multiply top and bottom again together. Do it to both sides now, a little harder. And then what you get there is 3 over 24x minus, negative 20, or 27, but that minus makes it negative 27 for 24x2. Same denominator now, so there's just 3 minus 27 over 24x. All that's left is 24 over 24x. There's your answer. A little more complicated, but you're fine with me. So now that we're on to the third level, this one's probably the hardest you'll see in a test or a quiz or something, is having to factor and just having larger numbers. So what you do is you have 3x plus 7 over x minus 7 plus 7x over x squared minus 9x plus 14. What I do first is I just factor that bottom out. Or just factor it. 7x over, and you gotta find what multiplies to 7 but adds to negative 9. Negative 7 and negative 2. At least the greatest common multiple, the greatest common factor. And then x minus 2. So now you have that. Both of these sides have now minus x. This side doesn't have negative 2, this side does. So you just multiply that side by negative 2, both top and bottom, and then x minus 2, and then basically it's x minus 2 over 3x plus 7 over, now the bottoms are the same, actually 7, and then x minus 2, and then this side, this stays the same because I didn't do anything to it, x minus 7, x minus 2. Same denominators. Add these together, multiply them together. So then you do x squared, and then you do plus 7x, and then negative 2x over negative 14 plus 7x. And then over what we already had, x minus 2. And then basically just combine them all together after that. So it's x squared plus 7x, 12x in this situation, minus 14 over x minus 7, x minus 2. And that's your answer. Namaste.